Unlock the visual secrets of Pinterest and transform it into your affiliate marketing powerhouse with this step-by-step guide. First, we target your niche. Think about what you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. This could be anything from sustainable living and DIY crafts to fitness equipment or digital productivity tools. The key is to select a niche that has a strong visual appeal and relevant affiliate products. Next, we craft compelling visual content. Pinterest is all about aesthetics. Create high-quality, eye-catching images or short videos. Think lifestyle shots, tutorials, infographics, or inspiring mood boards. Your pins should tell a story and evoke desire for the product you're promoting. Now, let's optimize for clicks. Your pin title should be clear, concise, and keyword-rich in the description. Weave in valuable information about the product, its benefits, and why someone needs it. Crucially, ensure your destination URL is your affiliate link, directing users directly to the product page where they can make a purchase. Think like a Pinterest user searching for solutions. Use relevant keywords in your pin titles and descriptions that people would actually type into the search bar. This includes broad terms related to your niche and very specific product-related terms also. Utilize relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Strategy is key for conversions. Don't just drop a link. Add value. Create infographic pins that solve a problem the product addresses, or how-to pins demonstrating its use. Consider creating a series of pins that guide users through a journey, from problem identification to solution via your affiliate product. Finally, analyze and adapt regularly. Check your Pinterest analytics to see which pins are performing best. Understand what resonates with your audience and double down on those strategies. Experiment with different pin formats, calls to action, and product selections to continuously improve your affiliate sales.